Okay, today's lesson is on division of integers. So just like multiplication, there's 3 rules to follow whenever you divide integers. So firstly, the quotient, reminder, quotient is when you divide, the answer is called the quotient. When we multiplied, the answer was called the product. All right, so here we'll be talking about the quotient because we are dividing integers. So anytime you divide 2 positive integers, your answer is always positive. This is what you're used to. 14 divided by 7, it's a positive 14 divided by positive 7. What will the answer be? Positive 2. Good. Next here, so notice here we have the division symbol. Here we have like the slash that also means division. Okay, it's the same thing if we wrote it as 27 divided by 3 like that. Same thing. All right, so we have positive 27 divided by positive 3, and my answer will be positive. My answer will be positive 9. All right, so dividing 2 positive integers, our answer is always positive. So just like in multiplication, here, if we're dividing 2 negative integers, our answer is still going to be positive. All right, so here we have negative 42 divided by negative 7. The answer will be positive 6. All right, here we have negative 36 divided by negative 9. Just rewrite that to show you that's what it looks like. Or if it was written this way, negative 36 divided by negative 9. All right, so our answer is going to be positive, positive 4. All right, next is if you're dividing a positive integer and a negative integer, or if you have a negative integer divided by a positive integer, the answer will always be negative. So we have negative 56 divided by positive 7. That will give me negative 8. Positive 48 divided by negative 8, which will give me negative 6. All right, so the rules are the same that we saw in multiplication. All right, some questions for you guys to try. We'll call this one question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, 5, and 6. So you'll notice we're only doing 2 numbers, but our next lesson we will get into more than 2 numbers. All right, so the first question is negative 48 divided by 12. Okay, so reminder, the slash here does mean division. So it's negative 48 divided by negative 12. All right, so we have 2 negatives being divided together, so our answer will be a positive 4. Here we have a positive integer divided by a negative integer, so we know our answer has to be negative, so in this case it is negative 12. Here, so we have negative 18 divided by negative 9. 2 negatives being divided, so our answer will be positive. So the answer here will be positive 2. Negative 6 divided by a positive 6, negative and a positive, so our answer is negative 1. Here it's just 2 positives being divided together, 63 divided by 7. The answer is positive 9. And our last one is negative 35 divided by positive 7. We know our answer has to be negative, and in this case it is negative 5.